In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your team by deactivating users in Salesforce. We'll guide you through the straightforward process, ensuring that you feel comfortable navigating the platform. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the home page of your Salesforce account. This is where every great journey starts. If you haven't logged in already, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're on the home page, you should see a gear icon, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This is your settings, and it's an essential part of managing your account. After clicking on the gear icon, look for the Open Advanced Setup option. This feature allows you to access a more comprehensive set of customization options within Salesforce, crucial for making administrative changes like deactivating users. Once you've opened the Advanced Setup, you'll need to type the word users into the search bar. Make sure you spell it right, as this will bring up the options you need. When the search results appear, select Users. This will take you to a page displaying a list of all current users associated with your account. It's like the command center for managing your team within Salesforce. Here, you get an overview of all users and a host of options to manage each of them. You should see a small arrow pointing downwards next to each user's name. Clicking this arrow will provide a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you want to select the Edit User option. It's your gateway to making specific changes to individual user accounts. Once you've clicked on Edit User, you'll be taken to the user's profile. This is where things get a bit more granular. Find the checkbox labeled Active. If the user is currently active, this box should be checked. To deactivate the user, simply uncheck this box. With the active box unchecked, a prompt may pop up asking for confirmation. Go ahead and click OK to confirm that you wish to deactivate this user. This ensures that you don't make any accidental changes. Lastly, once all changes are made, find the Save button and click on it. Saving your changes is crucial to ensuring that the deactivation takes effect. After saving, the user will no longer have access to the Salesforce account until you choose to reactivate them. And that's it! You've successfully deactivated a user on your Salesforce account. Keep in mind this process requires the proper administrative permissions. Regularly reviewing active users ensures the integrity and security of your account, so consider making this part of your routine Salesforce management tasks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Salesforce managing.